Hi there, I'm Jay, and today we are going to discuss entire roadmap of UI UX designing. So if you are a kind of person who don't like coding enough, then this is going to be a great opportunity for you. And if you like designing app icons or designing any kind of logos or designing UI for any website or any software, then UI designing can be perfect for you. If you compare the salary of UI designer with coders, they are almost equal. I think you already have seen a glimpse in the starting of the video of what does the UI designer does. A UI designer develops and creates and designs logos of many companies and designs a UI of many websites and softwares. So it is a beautiful career and very upgrowing career in future. So if you want to become a UI designer, this is the perfect opportunity for you guys. To understand more about UI designing, watch this. The website you're seeing now is designed by a UI designer. Apart from these websites, there are many things that a UI designer designs. App icons and many interesting things are designed by UI designers. So next, coming to UX designing. UX means user experience. The main theme of a UX designer is to make interactive applications that are easy to use. So the main theme of a UI and UX designer is to make interactive applications, but to make simple applications that are very easy to use and they are very interactive for the people to consume. Okay, so we are gonna learn UI UX designing and we are gonna become filthy rich. But to earn, we need to learn. So in the market, there are hundreds and thousands of softwares for learning UI UX designing. I filtered top 3 and you can choose in these top 3. First one is Adobe XD. Second one is Figma, and third one is Sketch. I prefer Figma because in the UX UI designing theme, in the future you need to work with team. For that, Figma helps you more. So I prefer Figma rather than any other software. And apart from Figma, you can also learn Webflow. It is also a wonderful software. And Zapier, the main purpose of Zapier is to do repetitive tasks that are done by a UI designer. So it saves a lot of time. So Figma, Webflow and Zapier. If you are familiar with these 3 softwares, then you can become a ready-made UI UX designer. So how much time does it take to become a UI UX designer? It approximately takes 7 to 8 weeks to learn any skill if you dedicate a particular time, and if you do with some discipline, you are just over it. How much time should you dedicate now? If you dedicate 2 hours a day consistently for 7 to 8 weeks, then you are a UI UX designer. And if you build more project, and I usually promote product based learning, that means building a project and learning through that projects after clearing the basics. So do have fun guys and learn everything that you have to learn and become a good UI UX designer. I think after watching this video, you have learned a little bit. If you think so we have added some value to you, then do consider subscribing our channel. And this week is all about UI UX designing, and we'll be posting more videos about UI UX designing in the format of shorts or in the format of lengthy videos. Everything about UI UX designing will be covered in this week. So stay tuned with us guys. Till then, don't forget to discover yourself. Bye bye. Jai Hind.